Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came again with another party messy curls style. If you want to see this kind of more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will reach all my new videos. Here I already start with curling. I'm doing rough curl one side and another side. You can do the same so it will look more nice and natural. You see, like this I already finished almost all the hair curling the same method. You can do the same. I'm taking small hair and making curls. It's very easy guys, you can do very easily. I'm doing the same method all over the hair so you can do the same. It's really simple, flawless and beautiful. Guys, this channel was my dream channel. So here will be all the experience about my work, about my lifestyle, my travel, my journey. I will try to show you all guys. I hope you will enjoy with me. Here I almost finished all the curling. Now you can see the result how I made. You see the result. It's simple, flawless and nice. I hope you will enjoy my channel. Thank you so much.